Hello everyone. In this video we will see PTE listening section. For entire listening section you will have 45 to 57 minutes which depends upon the number of questions and audio length for each task. For summarize spoken text alone, each question will be given 10 minutes time. Suppose if you get 2 questions, then 20 minutes out of 45 minutes total time will be given to summarize spoken text. The remaining 25 minutes will be given to the rest of the tasks. We may not know how many questions are there for each task. But before the listening section starts, you will get an outline of how many questions are there for each task and the total time. It is important to make a note of the number of questions in the text pad. Because in write from dictation, most of the time we will get 3 questions, but very rarely we will get 4 questions. If we don't utilize the time properly, we may miss one write from dictation and it will affect both listening and writing section drastically. Make sure to spend 5 to 6 minutes for write from dictation task alone. Also quickly see the instructions for each question to avoid confusion between the tasks. So these are the tasks you will get in listening section and this is the order that you get. Just remember this order because sometimes this will be confused if it is multiple choice multiple answer or single answer or highlight correct summary or even with select missing word. So better note down the order of tasks and number of questions in the given text pad. Here the highlighted ones contribute more marks for listening, writing and reading sections. The rest of the tasks contribute only 1 to 2 marks. Therefore, instead of spending more time on these low scoring tasks, we can randomly select an answer and move on to the next question if we don't know the answer for sure. Don't spend much time on them, but still you will be able to get 79 plus. So don't worry about these tasks. So this is how the score is given for listening section. As I said, these tasks contribute only less marks. Moreover, there are negative marks for multiple choice multiple answers and highlight incorrect words. Therefore, just select only one choice if you don't know the answers for multiple choice questions. And the minimum mark for each question is 0 even if all choices are wrong. For example, if only 2 answers are correct for a question, but if you select 3 choices including both correct answers, the marks will be given as 2 for right answers and -1 for wrong answer, and the final mark is only 1. Suppose if you select 2 wrong choices instead of correct answers, the score will not be -2. Only 0 marks will be given for that question. Similarly, for highlight incorrect words also negative marks are there and it works similar to multiple choice multiple answers. But this task contributes 8 marks for listening section and 9 marks for reading section. Therefore, select the answer only if you are 100% sure. We will see some examples for the tasks which contributes more marks. I am not going to discuss the rest of the tasks as it carries only less marks. For summarize spoken text, we already have a separate video in which I have explained about how to respond to this task, in-depth scoring, some tips and strategies, and how to use the template for the task. Please watch that video for detailed explanation. This is listening filling the blanks. This is how it appears in the screen. You will hear a recording. Type the missing words in each blank. Click on the first blank and hear the audio. You can use tab to move on to the next blank. For each task, you have to follow a strategy. For example, in summarize spoken text, you have to type or write while hearing the audio. In highlight correct summary, just close your eyes and hear the audio and then select the answer. We will see that for each task. In filling the blanks, you have to read along with the speaker in your mind so that you won't miss the word when it comes to the blank. And type as quick as possible. Just ignore if the spelling is wrong because you can verify it after the audio is completed. Most importantly, if it is name or place or any quoted phrase, the starting letter of the word should be capital. We will do one task now. This is Road to PTE website, but I will go to haiaoedu.com because it has some nice examples. As I said, keep the cursor in the first blank and use tab to move on to the next blank. The audio begins in 7 seconds.
The information generated identified 3 problematic flights. In one, for instance, the data showed that the pilot had trouble rotating the plane during takeoff. The system can identify anomalies that suggest both physical and operational issues, such as those that caused a runway accident in Chicago in December 2005. The researchers from MIT and Spain will present their paper in October at the 30th Digital Avionics Systems Conference in Seattle, because to prevent future accidents, you might have to think inside the box.
Okay, now I am able to fill the words. But I have made spelling mistakes, but it is fine. I can correct it after the audio is completed. This is generated. problematic, rotating, physical, conference. And as I said, if it is name or place or any quoted phrase, or if the words before or after, if you see any capital letters, even this word also should be in caps. So you should be careful about all these things. We will check the answer now. Generated, problematic, rotating, physical, and conference. So this is how we have to fill the blanks. We will quickly see the other example as well.
What do turkeys have to do with toxin detection? No, they can't sniff out poison, but scientists have been inspired by the bird's special skin. You see, turkeys can change their skin color. When they get excited, their blood vessels swell, changing the spacing between connective tissues. The new spacing scatters light differently, making turkey skin shift from a red color to blue or white. To imitate this function, researchers created sensors made of bundles of viruses known as bacteriophages. Like the tissues in turkey skin, the virus bundles can expand or contract, changing the color pattern of the sensor.
Whistles, spelling is correct. Scatters, imitate. Sometimes we may get confused if it has mm or m. Bundles of viruses. Viruses, correct. Expand or contract. Whistles, imitate, scatters, viruses, and contract. If you don't hear this word properly, whether it is whistle or whistles, based on this word, you can identify this word as singular or plural. If the subject is singular, this word will be swells. Since it is swell, you can write it as vessels. And here if you see, sometimes you may not hear this word properly. You may hear it as contract or contrast, but based on the previous word, you can guess this word. Since it is expand, the opposite of this word should be contract. Like this, you have to answer filling the blanks. For multiple choice questions and highlight correct summary, as I already said, just close your eyes and hear it like a story. And finally choose the answer. For select missing word, you will be hearing a beep sound. You have to concentrate more at the end. So close your eyes while hearing the audio and understand the entire prompt. For multiple choice questions, highlight correct summary and select missing word. Read the answer choices as quick as possible so that you can relate while hearing the audio. Next we will see highlight incorrect words. This is also similar to filling the blanks. You have to speak in your mind along with the speaker and highlight the incorrect words. Sometimes the audio will be too fast and the incorrect answers may appear close to one another. So practice well and understand different voices, male, female, different accent. You can practice from this website, and even Road to PT is also good. But this website has some tough questions. Okay, I will play the audio now. Speak inside your mind along with the speaker so that you can identify the incorrect words easily.
Butterflies that flit through tropical forests often have brightly colored wings that iridesce in the sun. But it's not pigments that create those eye-catching shades, it's microscopic structures on the insect's wings that reflect light. Researchers at the University of Cambridge studied an Indonesian butterfly known as the peacock or swallowtail. Scales on the wings are made up of tiny structures that researchers say resemble the inside of an egg carton with alternating layers of cuticle and air. The light bounces off the structures so that the scales appear to us as a shimmering green. But using optical equipment that can polarize light, those scales appear bright blue.
Okay, we will check the answer now. So all are correct. As you see here, these two words are very close to each other. So you have to be careful about that. Even while clicking on one word, you have to follow the speaker and read the next words along with her. Okay, next we will see right from dictation. This is the last task in the entire PTE test. We will get either 3 or 4 questions. You can either write or type directly in the screen if your typing speed is good. Just close your eyes and type the first half along with the audio and hear the second half. Once the audio is completed, type the remaining words. Don't worry about the spelling and don't try to correct it while audio plays. Simply type as quick as possible and correct it once the audio is completed. Make sure that the starting letter is capital, names and places as well, and a full stop at the end. In write from dictation, if you don't know if it is singular or plural, write both the words, because the software will ignore the wrong words and pick only the correct ones. We will see with an example now.
Fashion trends help people to make life interesting.
I am just closing my eyes and type these words so that I am making mistakes, but I am sure that I will be able to correct these words. Fashion first letter should be capital, SHION. Trends help people to make life interesting. And a full stop at the end. Here we may miss to hear if it is trends or trend. If we write trends, then this should be help. And if we write trend, then it should be helps. So you can write as fashion trend, trends helps people to make life interesting. As I said, PT software will ignore the wrong words and pick the correct ones. I have done this in one of my write from dictation and still I was able to get good marks. Even many of my friends did this and got 90 in both listening and writing. But before that, check the grammar. Based on the grammar as well, you can write the correct words. We will see a couple of examples for how to write correctly based on grammar.
Those students seeking further extension should talk to their faculty for more information.
Those students seeking further extension should talk to their faculty for more information. Here the first word is those, which points to many. Therefore it should be students, not student. We will quickly see one more example.
The placement test of mathematics and statistics is offered in this semester.
The placement test of mathematics and statistics is offered in this semester. Here mathematics and statistics, two things, it is plural. So the verb should be or offered, but we have to check the phrase. The placement test is the subject here and it is singular. Therefore we have to use is instead of or. Please be careful on grammar and spelling to avoid mistakes. That's all for listening section. I would like to thank for your comments which motivate me to create more videos. Though it is getting little delay for creating the videos, I would like to make sure that I am giving valid information which helps everyone. If you have any doubts, please feel free to comment in the comment section. I will definitely answer all your questions. One more thing, if you didn't get your desired score, you have to take the test again within a week or so. Don't give much gap and don't lose hope. Just keep practicing. Because in PTE if we give some gap, we have to start practicing right from the beginning. And it will take more than a month again to practice well. So don't lose hope if you don't get your score. Just continue practicing and try again and again until you clear it. Once again, thank you all and thanks for watching my videos.